242 ya otosumie no se ne ya bebre se Ghana ya wo enwuma hodo nsa no nwuma hodo ebetimi ede mofra na hyase efri ho ne momene ya ja wo mo ama sa babia nke ebenya mfaso efri ho no ya to na saram ama ho kire ene enwuma ho akwatwe eguso a ekoso wo memu da wo hunu ne sebre na son kachiri se wo sempanifo hye mo kene bie mo ne ya adwe kɔ voke any technical schools ahodo no so na bo ankora no edache.
The Asantehene observed the neglect of technical and vocational education has stifled development in the country. He commended an initiative to grant opportunity for arts students to train in engineering at the tertiary level.
The whole idea of an art student cannot be a science student, cannot be engineering. Someone who uses an initiative to design, draw, and we say that he cannot be an engineer. The initiative that he uses to visualize how to draw someone. And it want to be an engineer man. We left so many people in school because it was the type of English students which was introduced British education to say, every Latin, now chew poor pass and forget. There was no initiative. Every baba no akotro, no pass any amount O level, no akotro, no any GC A level, no akko university. Those who couldn't do that, some of our mates were left there. We couldn't identify what they could do in terms of skills training. Some of them now, we've lost the human resource.